Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 4.6% in a genuinely enormous manner. The cost of Axie boundlessness truly rose by 4.3% in the past 24 hours amazingly. As far as Axie's support floor, it really is presently $10.21, or so they generally thought. Axie's truly has its certainly next obstruction at $11.87, or so they most certainly thought. 25 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness. For the most part is Axie's a truly wise interest in an essentially significant manner. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, in a real sense let us essentially discuss the ongoing economic situations, which really is very huge. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583 in a huge manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $46,102,746,854, so the cost of Axie boundlessness certainly rose by 4.3% in the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in a real sense thought. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in an especially enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, showing how Axie endlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 0.1 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, which especially is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, extremely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of huge manner. These occasions show that the market truly is going in an essentially descending bearing for sort of transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a fundamentally broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially significant way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense all the more genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers truly become move genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that 25 November 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually essentially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is especially transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness generally is acts as a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, Axes, Axie endlessness execution. The genuinely everyday graph of Axie vastness essentially shows that the Axes cost all things considered has in a real sense flooded up with a 4.3% expansion in lovely beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting how Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness Axie's coin essentially is remaining at $6.24, with market capitalization $823,784,091 United States dollars in a very significant manner. Axie's cost changes 4.6% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $74,100,890 United States dollars, which especially is very critical. Axie Boundlessness Value Examination Axie's cost investigation for 25 November 2023, inside an everyday time period, especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, showing how Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to by and large examine the future development of the Axie boundlessness. Showing how we utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to for the most part investigate the future development of the Axie limitlessness. Or so they in a real sense thought. The Axie boundlessness in a real sense has truly break all its particularly upholds levels, and things basically are not looking truly great for the crypto market, so 25 November 2023, in this video, we will walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these often explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness, for the most part is Axie's and in every practical sense, wise interest in a significant way. As of now, in a real sense bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Axie's cost beneath the critical help level of $10.21, showing how these occasions basically demonstrate that the market really is going in a genuinely descending heading for kind of present moment, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the in every way that really matters signal line after a hybrid, which explicitly shows that presently, essentially bears all things considered, are in charge of the market and effectively especially take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21. Exhibiting how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market all things considered is going in a very descending course for certainly momentary in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday diagram, essentially further appearance how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, especially let us for the